All right, this is a practice of a screen share. When I did entire screen, it didn't work. So we're going to try Chrome tab this time to look at the problem we're trying to solve. I think we got it now. Okay, so we have this set of inequalities that represent the mowing time of the lawn care business of Desmond and Shelly. And Shelly wants to change it because she thinks instead of this 3/4, which represents 3/4 of an hour, to edge a large corner lot, she thinks it should be a full hour. So really, we're just going to change this 3/4 to 1. So you would have this, everything else the same, but these 3/4 would be 1 for the new set of system of inequalities for A. And then to sketch the region, we're graphing these two inequalities, and I recommend Desmos. So I'm going to share that tab with you instead now. Okay, so here's the original inequality for the mowing time, and here's the new one for the 1 hour. We can put that 1 there if it helps. Helps us understand what we're looking at here. All right, and I have zoomed into this part of the graph because remember, X and Y are both greater than or equal to 0. So we don't really need to look at anything less than 0. So here is the feasible region, and that you're going to think about for part B. You can see it's kind of a triangular shaped region, a right triangle formed by the axes. And your answer to that question is going to depend on what you have seen before, because the question, part B, there's your sketch. You saw your sketch. And C, I haven't seen the systems you've seen before, so I'm not exactly sure how to answer that, but hopefully you can compare this graph that we just looked at to what you've seen before. Just post another question if you need help with that. And D relates to that also. Okay, so I would have to see what you did before. But we can add, what this was before was 3/4, so we can see how it changes. Okay, so this is a difference. With the 3/4, you see how these regions interact. We have some overlap right here. But if we change this to the 1 whole hour, we don't have the same shape here. In a sense, this blue region is also overlapped by the whole red region, because if I take the blue away, you see the red region is there, okay? So with both of them together, you see it's really what's within the blue triangle. All of the blue triangle is within the red region. So that is the difference. I hope that helped. And if not, go ahead and post another question. Thank you.